Hello, this is John with Online Verb, and today I want to talk about how to use private label rights, PLR products, to make affiliate commissions. So, with doing anything online is really pretty simple. You need to have traffic that you send to an offer, and then if people like that offer, a certain percentage of those will turn into a sale. So it's a simple formula, although not necessarily easy. So what we're going to talk about today is how you're going to get traffic, how you're going to get it to an offer, and then those should turn into sales. So we're going to use private label rights products to create content that will get us traffic, and then we're going to direct that traffic to an offer and have sales. So where are we getting this traffic from? We're getting this traffic from YouTube. YouTube, the number 2 most visited website in the world. If we go over to SEMrush, this is looking at United States traffic. We could look at worldwide, but it's going to be similar. Google, number 1. YouTube, number 2. It's been this way for years. Almost 4 billion visitors that month went to YouTube. Now, people go to YouTube really for 2 main reasons. They go there either to be entertained or to be educated, okay? Entertaining, that's the music videos, cat videos, fail videos, prank videos, that type of thing. But what we're going to talk about is how to find the people that are there to be educated. They're coming there and they're typing in into the search box like how to, right? They want to learn something and they're coming there to find that information from YouTube, how to do something or how to learn skills, etc. So traffic source is going to be YouTube. And for the example of this video, we're going to try to be selling a keto product. So the keto diet is still extremely popular. Lots and lots of information about keto. If we go to YouTube and we just start typing in keto, you'll see all the different things that people are searching for here on YouTube related to keto. Keto diet for beginners, keto recipes, keto diet, just keto. And these usually are coming up in most common search to least common search, but you can see a ton of information being searched for with keto. Now, you could also look at how to keto, how to keto diet for beginners, how to keto. So you can see just a ton of searches as well for how to. So people want to learn about the keto diet, and a lot of the information they're finding is from YouTube. So we need to have a keto diet product that we can sell to people that are looking for information on YouTube. There's lots of different affiliate platforms out there where you can find keto-related products. I'm on a popular affiliate platform called ClickBank. You just go to clickbank.com. You can create a free account, go into the marketplace, and here you can find products for all kinds of different niches and categories that you can see down here. So they cover a wide range. The nice thing about ClickBank is you're almost going to be automatically approved for every product on here. It's rare there is not a product that you're approved for. So we're in the marketplace. Let's find a keto product. And so there's several products on ClickBank right now that I know are popular. This is coming up results by keyword relevance. Usually you want to sort by gravity because that'll tell you the most popular products that are being sold. This custom keto diet is really popular. Okay, if we click on that, it'll open up and you can see the page. It's got a video, get your diet. If you want the text version, go there. When you apply, they actually have different landing pages that you could use instead of this one. But if you look at the gravity right here, it is at 204. Gravity is an indicator of how popular and how many affiliates are making sales for a particular product. And so this custom keto diet has a very high gravity. Any gravity over 50 typically is considered very high. Anything over 20 is a good product to promote. So this obviously is a very good product that performs well with a gravity over 200. Here you can see another product, Keto Resources, with a gravity of 68. Also, I forgot to say, this you can see the average commissions that are paid per sale. So $43.51. Keto Resources, $26.89. This is another product that's very good for the keto niche. It's a supplement product. Supplements tend to sell very well, but this is directed at reducing carbohydrates, which is good for aligning with the keto diet. Very good gravity, 55.70, and a really nice payout per sale, $110.48. Here's another very popular product that's been popular for quite a while, Keto Breads and Desserts, $22.27 payout with a gravity of 41.49. And so as you can see, there's lots of good options on here. You just need to come in here, create your affiliate link, and that is what we're going to try to make sales from by getting our traffic from YouTube. So next, we need to find some PLR, private label rights products, that are going to allow us to take text content. We're going to convert that text content into a video, and we're going to upload that video to YouTube for traffic to make affiliate sales. This is a PLR website that I like and that I use called bigproductstore.com. They have lots and lots and lots of products, and they continually add new products all the time. One of their other pages says they have over 10,000 products, which I believe. They are always adding new products, a library of tens of thousands, and you get access to everything. They have different rights, anywhere from personal rights. Some will have reseller rights, and some will have master reseller rights. For the sake of our video today, what we're going to do is try to find and they have different types of products, right? So we're looking for text products. We might either look for an article pack or maybe an ebook, but you can see they have lots of other things to offer here. So what I'm going to do is let me just scroll down. And first of all, I guess I would just say if this is something you're interested in, the pricing is very reasonable. They have a monthly membership, $20 a month, not bad for unlimited access. But this is really the best deal. This is what I picked up. It's a one-time, lifetime membership. You just pay $98.50. And so, over here, once you have 5 months, you basically have paid this. So if you go ahead and grab this, you have lifetime access. This is what I did. Definitely your best bet. So if you want to find some quality PLR products that you can use, you may want to consider Big Product Store. I'm going to go ahead and log in to my bigproductstore.com account. Okay, and we are going to look for some ebooks. And since we're doing keto diet, let's search for keto. And this, so you can see they have lots of different ebook options. So some great things to choose from. They also have keto video products that you could choose from here as well, but lots of different keto books. Very nicely done. I went ahead and downloaded this Easy Keto ebook pack, and okay, so I went ahead and downloaded this Easy Keto pack. The great thing with this, it comes with the ebook, but also comes with lots of other resources that you could use if you were wanting to do something else with this, but we're just using the ebook for our example. And so if you scroll down in the ebook, you'll see table of contents. There's 3 main parts to this book. Part 1, kind of the keto diet, an overview. Part 2 talks more specifically about meal planning. Then Part 3 has some recipe ideas. And so the great thing with this ebook is, at a minimum, you could make 3 different videos, one for each part. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. Those probably be maybe too long, and so instead what you could do is make maybe at least 2 or 3, maybe even 4 videos for each part. And so you could easily come up with 6 to 12 videos that you could upload to YouTube from this one book. So that's what's pretty nice. What we're going to do is we're going to go to this section, Tips for Going Keto, and we're going to make a video about that content. Okay, so if I scroll down, let's find this section of the book, And basically what we're going to do is once we find that section, we are going to, oops, here it is, tips for going keto. You would just simply highlight all this text content, and then you would take the text, you were going to take this text content, so there it is, we're going to copy that, and we would just simply upload that into a editor. Okay, so let's go back, copy. Okay, upload that into the editor. Now you may want to, play with this a little bit, clean it up, because obviously that's a page number, so you could go through here, clean that up. But once you have that cleaned up, then you're going to take this text content and we're going to turn this into a video. How are we going to do that? Well, there's an online software that I use and love called Pictory. Pictory, I'm going to log into the account. Pictory allows you to actually create videos in 4 different ways. You can take a article URL and make a video out of it. We are going to use this second method, script to video. We're going to upload a script or text and make a video. You can upload images and make a video from the images, and then you can edit videos, splice them together as well. So we're just going to go here, script to video. If you have something you can on our clipboard, which we do, we can just paste that in. And so there it is. And we're going to take this first phrase, we're going to bring that up here and call that the title of our video. And so again, you could go through and you can edit things in here, you can clean it up, or just click to proceed. Choose the style of video. YouTube uses landscape, portrait is more for Facebook, and then square for Instagram, etc. So hit landscape, and then what it's going to do is it's going to prepare the storyboards, looking at the text content, and now it's searching for media. So it's searching for video clips and images that it can use to put this video together. This typically happens just within a couple of minutes, and so we'll go ahead and wait and let it do its thing. And then once the text has been put into a video format, the next thing that we're going to see come up is, there we go, it's done, is the editor inside of Pictory. Okay, the editor, I'm not going to do a complete overview of Pictory because they have great tutorial videos to show you how to do it, but essentially what happens is you have these different sections of your video. The story, so this is our text content. You can see it breaks the text down into different scenes, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. Right now scene 1 is highlighted. Here's scene 2. You can also see the scenes down below. Here's scene 3, scene 4, etc. And then there's the visuals. That's where you find the either video clips or images that you want to use for that scene. Audio, you have the choice here of having, well, first of all, some background music. So there's lots of different background music. You can preview it to see if you like it or not. The other thing is they have some AI voiceovers from different countries, so you can use those. You just hit apply. You can slow or speed down the voiceover to make it sound more natural, or you can upload your own voiceover. Okay. Now here's an important point for YouTube. If you're trying to get your YouTube account monetized for AdSense, then you really want to use a real voice. Okay, either use your voice or pay a voiceover artist, maybe on Fiverr, to do the voiceover for you, and then upload that to Pictory. If you don't really care about the AdSense money, which really isn't a lot, but it can help. If you're really just trying to go after affiliate commissions on YouTube, then you certainly can use any of these AI voiceovers. You can choose the style of how you want the video to look, so you can go through and select your style, and then you always have the option again to change the format if you wish. Now, when you're going through, you can edit each of these scenes. You can delete the scene, you can do a quick preview, trim it, add a specific voiceover to this part, and there's some setting changes that can be made for this or to the entire video. Here's an example of, you want to go through each scene one by one, because obviously we're talking about keto diet, and for some reason they pulled up a Bitcoin, a crypto video. So would want to, for this scene, go into our visuals and let's choose instead a different diet. Let's just go ahead and pick this one, and so it'll replace that Bitcoin crypto video with this image instead. And then once you're done, you've gone through and the video looks good to you. You can, obviously save it as you go along. It does autosave. It tells you it's estimated to run about 4.5 minutes, and then you can hit generate and create the video. Once you hit generate and the video is created, then you go into your YouTube account, upload that video, optimize it, add your tags and descriptions, and your affiliate link. So if people go there, you will earn a commission. So let's go and, for example, maybe look at this one, how to start a keto diet, okay? And obviously they're going to have an ad come up first, so let's skip the ad. Okay, and then as you can see, they're talking about how to do a keto diet. And, they have a spokesperson, they're talking. So, but they use a lot of story block things, kind of like what we just did with Pictory as well. Okay, so there's a lot of channels that actually use Pictory style videos. Now, what they did in their description, you can see they say, hey, more information, check this out. For more recipes, let's go take a look at this. And these are almost for sure, if we click on them, going to be, well, this is going to their website to specific, but a lot of times these links down here are going to be affiliate links. And that's what you're going to do. So you're going to upload your video. You're going to, in the description box, put a little write-up, but you want to have your affiliate links that link to whatever ClickBank product that you chose to promote. Okay, so let's just do a quick overview of what we're doing. Just as a reminder, the steps are, we are looking for, we talked about traffic that we want to send to an offer, and that is going to then make some sales. Okay, so our traffic source is YouTube. Our offer we're getting from ClickBank, and YouTube is a great traffic source. So you're going to find PLR products for whatever niche you're doing. Again, I recommend bigproductstore.com. Find articles or ebooks, convert those articles or ebooks into videos using Pictory, and then upload that video to your YouTube account and put your affiliate link in the description. So I hope you found this really helpful. I'll leave links to the products that were discussed in the video in the description box down below. And let me know if you have questions in the comment sections. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe so you can make sure you get updates. Thanks so much.